Hello everybody, my name is Alex Chow. I'm from Water Lab. So today I'm going to talk about free radical and how it will affect our health. Free radical is actually on top of the scale of oxidation. So oxidation will cause our body to decay, to get old faster. Yeah? So in this particular test, what I'm going to show you here is hydrogen water consists of very high antioxidant. So in this experiment, we are going to use betadine to represent the toxicity in our body and also the root cause of oxidation. So in each of this water, this glass is the tap water, and this glass I'm going to pour a glass of hydrogen-enriched water from Superior. So 2 glasses of similar volume. So I'm going to drip 5 drops of betadine into each glass. Five. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So as you can see, there's still sign of betadine in tap water. And on the other hand, the betadine in the hydrogen water has completely been dissolved. This represents that hydrogen, high antioxidant, will be able to carry out the toxicity in our body and also cause reverse oxidation and reduce the potential of oxidation. The next experiment, we're going to show you the presence of hydrogen in each of the glass. Yeah? So hydrogen, we can't actually see it through our naked eye. So this is a glass of tap water. This is a glass of hydrogen water. I just extract it from Superior. This is a hydrogen pen. So if I put the pen into the tap water, there's no reading. The reading is 0. Yeah? So there's no presence of hydrogen in that particular water. And when I put it into Superior, and I see the reading, it's immediately shoot up to 1006, 1007. Yeah? So the presence of hydrogen water. And on the same experiment, I'm going to show you the ORP as well. Yeah? On the same tap water, if I put in the pen, the ORP is typically 200. Which means it actually oxidizes our body. So if I put it into the hydrogen water, you can see ORP is immediately fall down to negative 8 to 900. Meaning, if we continue to drink hydrogen water, it will reduce the oxidation process in our body for more than 10 times. So in the next experiment, I'm going to do a pH test using this pH tester. So this is a glass of tap water. I'm going to get a glass of hydrogen water from Superior. So we always have the similar level of water. So I'm going to drip a few drops of a pH tester into each of the glass. So immediately you see the effects. Tap water is slightly towards acidic, as you can compare to the pH chart here. On the other hand, hydrogen water is mild alkaline in nature. And the next experiment I'm going to show you, this is alkaline. What if I breathe into the water and immediately you see the water change to acidic because of the oxidation process in my body through the breath and get into the water. If I pour the water with hydrogen water again, immediately it will turn back to alkaline. So it proves that hydrogen water has the capability of changing our body towards alkaline. So in the next experiment, I'm going to show you oil and water. Everybody says oil will never mix with water. It's true because they are different density. So on my hand, this is a glass of tap water. I'm going to take a glass of hydrogen water, pour in some oil. This is a regular cooking oil. So I want to pour a bit of this cooking oil into tap water and also a bit of this cooking oil into hydrogen water. So let me stir it together. As you can see, the oil will immediately flow up in the tap water experiment. So it separates oil and water. So oil always remain on the top. On the other hand, hydrogen water, take a look at the oil. The oil actually dissolves into the water. And this represents that it will be able to bring oil, excessive oil in our body, through urination, through sweat, getting out from our body. So in the next experiment, we're going to do a chlorine test. This is the most basic test and it's fundamental to every water filtration. This is a glass of tap water and I'm going to take a glass of hydrogen water, right? So I'm going to use a simple chlorine tester. You can easily get it from aquarium shop. So let me just put a bit of tester into it and a bit of tester into it. When I stir, tap water immediately turns to yellow because there's a presence of chlorines in the water. And on the other hand, hydrogen water it still remains clear, meaning there's no presence of chlorine in that water. Thank you for participating in this experiment and hope you guys learn much about water. When you want to drink water, remember hydrogen water and drink functional water. Thank you guys.